Duplicate mailing list data is a huge headache. If you're sending direct mail, it costs you tons of money and wasted postage. And if you're sending out emails, you're probably getting flagged as a spammer for sending duplicates to the same email address. I'll show you how to work around this challenge and explain how to use the duplicate removal option within Excel. Excel supports filtering unique values or using conditional formatting to highlight them. However, we're only focused on removing duplicates, and that's what we'll talk about in this video. Here's the spreadsheet with my mailing list information, and I know there are duplicates, but I don't have the time to manually review them because there's over 1,000 of them in the spreadsheet. So instead of going through the entire spreadsheet and looking at every value and trying to figure it out by hand, I'm going to automate this with Excel. Let's go ahead and put our cursor in the first cell. Go ahead and click on the data option right here. From the Data Tools menu, click Remove Duplicates. This dialog pops up. If your data has headers, meaning the first value in each column of the top row is the description of the data type in the column, then go ahead and check this box right here. Otherwise, uncheck it. We only want to dedupe based on email address because we're sending out an email newsletter, so click Unselect All and then click on the email address column. Then click OK. And you're done. I hope you've benefited from today's gift. If you found this video useful, please feel free to share it with family, friends, and colleagues. Bye for now.